Tired of manually copying customer info between ClickFunnels and GoHighLevel? Let's ditch the data entry and supercharge your sales funnel by connecting ClickFunnels to GoHighLevel using Zapier in under 90 seconds. First, head over to Zapier and create a new Zap. Click the Create Zap button. For the trigger, search for and select ClickFunnels. Choose New Contact Activity as your trigger event. Click Continue. Now, connect your ClickFunnels account. Click Sign into ClickFunnels and follow the prompts to authorize Zapier's access. Then, select the funnel you want to monitor for new contacts. Click Continue. Zapier will now test the trigger. Make sure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, click Continue. Next, for the action, search for and select GoHighLevel. Choose Create Update Contact as your action event. Click Continue. Connect your GoHighLevel account by clicking Sign into GoHighLevel and following the authentication steps. Then, select your GoHighLevel location. Click Continue. Here comes the magic. Map the data fields from ClickFunnels to GoHighLevel. For example, match the contact email field in ClickFunnels to the email field in GoHighLevel, and full name to full name. Map as many fields as you need. Click Continue. Zapier will test the GoHighLevel action, review the test data, and confirm that everything is set up correctly. Click Continue. Finally, give your Zap a descriptive name and turn it on. Now, every time someone becomes a new contact in your specified ClickFunnels funnel, their information will automatically be added or updated in your GoHighLevel account. That's it. You've successfully connected ClickFunnels and GoHighLevel with Zapier. Automate your workflow and watch your business grow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation tips.